The easiest way to make a right slanting purl decrease is to purl 2 stitches together. So we bring the yarn to the front of the work and then we insert the tip of the right needle from right to left, but instead of going into one stitch, we push the needle a bit further and go into the first 2 stitches on the left needle. Then we wrap the tip of the right needle with the yarn and pull it through, purling these 2 stitches together and decreasing 1 stitch. The most common way to make a left slanting purl decrease is the slip-slip purl method. Here's how it works. We bring the yarn to the front of the work and then we slip 2 stitches knitwise from the left needle to the right needle, and we do it separately. First we slip 1 stitch knitwise and then we slip the second stitch. And then we return them back to the left needle. This time we do it purlwise without twisting the stitches again. And then we purl these 2 stitches through the back loop. That means we insert the tip of the right needle from left to right, but we go from the back like this. So we insert the needle like this. And then wrap the needle with the yarn, pull this wrap through, purling these 2 stitches through the back loop. And use the same logic if you need to decrease more than 1 stitch. For example, to decrease 2 stitches, purl 3 stitches together to make a decrease that slants to the right and make a slip, slip, slip purl decrease to decrease 2 stitches with a slant to the left. The most confusing thing about paired purl decreases is the fact that the slant is determined by the way the decreases look on the knit side of the work, not the side that we look at when we make a decrease. For example, this is a right slanting line formed by the purl 2 together decreases, and this is a left slanting line that is formed by the slip-slip purl decrease. Most likely this happens because these decreases are often used with paired knit decreases in cases when we need to decrease stitches in every row, both knit and purl rows, just as I did over here in this part of the swatch. See, the decreasing line is more steep because the decreases happen in every row, as opposed to this line where decreases happen in every other row, only the purl rows. To get the full tutorial about paired purl decreases, go to 10rosday.com/paired-purl-decreases. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.